बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल अंबिया वल मुरसलीन। मेरा नाम हाफिज़ मोहम्मद इदरीस। My name is Hafiz Mohammad Idris. Today we start lesson number 3, Harakat. So before we learn lesson number 1, Huruf Mufridat, and second lesson Huruf Murakabat, we also learned. And today we learn lesson number 3, Harakat. So before we starting, so if you are not subscribe my channel, first you subscribe my channel and share my video for those people who want to learn Holy Quran. You must share it, then they can join our course inshallah azza wajal. So now we starting lesson number 3, Harakat. First we know the rule lesson number 3. This is the most important lesson. So we learn and listen carefully. First I say the word and letter, then you repeat it. Okay. Now we starting lesson number 3. If you want online live classes, then available are live classes. Somebody want online live classes, so we offer live classes, online live classes. Okay. Lesson number 3, Harakat. This is the rule. Lesson number 3, the plural of Haraka is Harakat. Fatha, Zabar, Kasra, Zair and Dama Pesh are called Harakat. Fatha, Zabar and Dama Pesh are placed above the letter, whereas Kasra, Zair is placed underneath. The letter which has a haraka on it is called mutaharrik. Pronounce the fatha zabar by opening the mouth and raising the voice, kasra zair by dropping the voice, and dhamma pesh by the rounding of the lips. Pronounce the harakat is an Arabic accent without stretching or suddenly pausing the voice. If a haraka or sukoon is present on an alif, then pronounce it as hamza. If the letter ra has a fatha, zabar or dhamma pesh on it, pronounce it with a thick tone. If the letter ra has a kasra, zair below it, pronounce it with a thin tone. So now we're starting. First I say, then you repeat it. If you didn't understand, then pause the video and first you listen carefully, then repeat the words later. You look there without harakat is called alif. Alif is coming in any harakat, then called hamza. So now we read and recite hamza. Hamza zabar a, hamza there e, hamza pesh o, a e o. Ba zabar ba, ba zer bi, ba pesh bu, ba bi bu. Ta zabar ta, ta zer ti, ta pesh to, ta ti to. Sa zabar sa, sa zer se, sa pesh so, sa si so. Jim zabar ja, जीम ज़ेर जे, जीम पेश जो, जा जे जो, हा ज़बर हा, हा ज़ेर हे, हा पेश हो, हा हे हो, खा ज़बर खा, खा ज़ेर खी, खा पेश खो, खा खे खो, दाल ज़बर दा, दाल ज़ेर दे, दाल पेश दो, दा दे दो, जाल ज़बर जा, जाल ज़ेर जे, जाल पेश जो, जा जे जो, रा ज़बर रा, रा ज़ेर रे, रा पेश रो, रा रे रो, जा ज़बर जा, जा ज़ेर जे, जा पेश जो, जा जे जो, सीन ज़बर सा, सीन ज़ेर से, सीन पेश सो, सा से so. If you didn't understand, then stop the video, pause the video and repeat it, then say the word. Okay, first listen carefully, then repeat it many times, then you can read easily. Sheen Zabar Shah, Sheen Zer Shi, Sheen Pe Sho, Sha Shi Sho, Swad Zabar Swa, Swad Zer Se, Swad Pe So, Swa Se So, Dwa Zabar Dwa, Dwa Zer De, Dwa Pe Do, Dwa Dre Do, Twa Zabar Twa, Twa Zer Twe, Twa Pesh To, Twa Tre To, Zwa Zabar Zwa, Zwa Zer Zwe, Zwa Pesh Zo, Zwa Zwe Zo, Ain Zabar A, Ain Zer I, Ain Pesh O, A I O, غين زبر غا، غين زير غي، غين پیش غو، غا غي غو، فا زبر فا، فا زير في، فا پیش فو، فا في فو، قاف زبر قا، قاف زير کی، قاف پیش قو، قا قی قو، काफ ज़बर का, काफ ज़ेर की, काफ पेश को, का की को, लाम ज़बर ला, लाम ज़ेर ली, लाम पेश लो, ला ली लो, मीम ज़बर मा, मीम ज़ेर मी, मीम पेश मू, मा मी मू, नून ज़बर ना, नून ज़ेर नी, नून पेश नू, ना नी नू, वाव ज़बर वा, वाव ज़ेर वी, वाव पेश वो, वा वी वो, हा ज़बर हा, हा ज़ेर ही, हा पेश हो, हा ही हो, हमजा ज़बर आ, हमजा ज़ेर ई, हमजा पेश ओ, आ ई ओ, या ज़बर या ज़ेर ये, या पेश यो, Ya, ye, yo. Alhamdulillah, we complete lesson number 3. So you should many times recite it, then first listen carefully, then repeat it many times. If you didn't understand, then pause the video and listen carefully, then repeat it. Now again I'll tell you the little bit rule of the lesson number 3, then you remain it. If you didn't subscribe my channel, my video, please share the video other friend family who want to learn Quran must be share it. Okay, then inshallah you will be rewarded. Lesson number 3, the harakat. The plural of harakat is harakat, fatha, zabar, kasra, zer and dhamma pesh are called harakat. Fatha, zabar and dhamma pesh are placed above the letter and kasra is placed underneath. The letter which has haraka on it is called mutaharrik. Pronounce the letter fatha zabar by opening the mouth and raising the voice, kasra zer by dropping the voice, and dhamma pesh by the rounding of the lips. Pronounce the harakat is in Arabic and said without stretching or suddenly pausing the voice. If a haraka or sukoon is present on an alif, then pronounce it an hamza. If the letter ra has a fatha, zabar or dhamma pesh on it, pronounce it with a thick tone. If the letter ra has a kasra, zair below it, pronounce it with a thin tone. Jazakallah khairan. Thank you so much for watching my channel and subscribe and share it. If you want to learn Holy Quran live classes, then contact us and inshallah azawajal we have a classes live half an hour 30-40 minutes, so you can join our live classes. Okay, thank you so much for watching my channel and please share it.